the material easily available at home. I will take one sticker and paste it on a normal sheet. As you can see, they are easily removable. Now let's start. I have made some stickers on a paper and now I'll sketch them. Now we will cut them. Now I am taking a white paper and I am pasting normal tape on it. Now I am taking the smileys and keeping it on them. Now we will paste the tape on the emojis. Now we will take both the tape pasted and then remove them from the paper without tearing the paper. And as you can see, I am removing the tape one by one after the emoji. And you have to leave some space so that the upper tape and the lower tape sticks. And do the same for the other emojis also. Basically, what you have to do is you have to leave a border of the tape so that the upper tape and the lower tape sticks. When you are done with the cutting, you need to take a transparent plastic sheet any of your house and then paste the stickers on them. And you can paste them anywhere you want, in your copy or something in your project.